last year we stopped and made a video with George here about his jungle antenna from the laser ham, and was pretty successful. And I seen on his socials before we came to Huntsville that he had made a little bit of an improvement on something, and that intrigued me to do a follow-up. So George, welcome back to Huntsville, and we're going to let you show us what you got and tell us about the improvement.
Thank you, Joe. This is the new version of my 2-meter jungle antenna, a folding ground plane. This is the antenna folded up. Just to demonstrate it again for everyone, to deploy it, you lift that up, slide down the struts, and you have yourself a 2-meter ground plane. And you hang this up in a tree, the connector's in the middle, hangs straight down. It works great for portable operations. The improvements I've made this year are the struts. The struts last year were a little bit thicker, a little bit heavier, and not as stiff. I switched materials. I'm still 3D printing, but I'm using a engineering plastic this year instead of TPU, which I used last year, and that makes for a much lighter package. The antenna now is only 4.1 ounces. I mean, it's almost nothing in your backpack. That's the main improvement since last year. Otherwise, everything else is still the same. Still using an amphenol connector. It's still fully potted, so it's weatherproof. It's still using real antenna wire. It's very flexible. You won't kink this stuff. It's still just the same great SWR and the same great package.
Awesome. And you got them made for 2 meters, MERS, 440, 220 band.
Yep.
And let's see, yeah, you got a 70 centimeter in GMRS.
Yep.
As well. So good deal. You got all the bands covered that you want to string up in a tree.
Yes, that's right. And you can find me either at shows in the Southeast or on Etsy or eBay. Just look for the laser ham.
Yep, we'll put a link in the description for it as well.
Thanks,
All right,
Joe.
thank you, George.